Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying what you have, mechanical, membrane, or scissor switch, because each responds differently to fixes. Next, power off and unplug the keyboard. Make sure batteries are out if applicable. Once done, assemble tools: keycap puller, compressed air, microfiber cloth, and 70% plus isopropyl for deep cleaning. Begin by removing a few keycaps in a corner to test how they come off. This helps avoid damage and teaches you the key travel and switch type before deeper work. Now focus on the middle work. You can reduce ping and clack by fitting O-rings or silicone dampeners under stems. They cut impact and shorten travel slightly. If mechanical, stabilize stabilizers and apply a thin, targeted lubricant to the slider rails. Make sure to use keyboard-specific grease so you don't gum contacts. For scissor or membranes, clean and lightly lubricate hinge points. Also consider swapping heavy keycaps for lighter profiles. Together, these steps change how the keys hit and make the sound much quieter. Finish by carefully reseating each keycap, checking for uniform travel and correct actuation as you go. Uneven caps create new noises. If a key feels sticky or misaligned, power off and reopen that section. Clean the switch or hinge and reapply lubricant only where needed. Make an audio test. Record a short clip to compare before and after, and tweak O-ring thickness or lube amount if noise persists. If nothing helps, consider professional service or swapping the switch assembly as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.